सेबी की साइट से एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ सामने आई है, दैट इज सेबी प्लानिंग ए forensic audit of all mutual funds. This audit is expected to focus on all mutual fund AMCs, all mutual fund schemes and their illiquid securities, risk management, etc. The regulator SEBI is planning to conduct this audit to ensure that investors' money should be safe. Actually, mutual fund industry is growing very fast, as it is clear from the data. That is, in year 2012, the size of mutual fund industry was approximately rupees 8 lakh crore only, and now in the end of December 2022, its size has grown to approximately rupees 40 lakh crore. In view of the increasing scale and reach of the mutual fund industry, SEBI is taking some safety measures so that investors' money should be safe and AMCs act in the best interest of the unit holders. So, SEBI also proposed that unit holders protection committee should be constituted by the board of AMCs. म्यूचुअल फंड की फ्यूचर ग्रोथ को देखते हुए सेबी इज प्लानिंग टू टेक सम एक्स्ट्रा मेजर्स सो दैट इन्वेस्टर्स मनी शुड बी सेफ. Now let's start our next topic of mutual fund investment series part 5. आज हम इस पार्ट 5 के अंदर इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड को डिस्कस करेंगे. So today we will discuss about equity mutual fund categories. Actually, equity mutual fund is the core sector, and this sector is used as an investment tool and having the power to multiply your wealth. So first category is large cap mutual fund. In this category, minimum 80% amount invested in sectors of stocks of large cap companies. Large cap companies means the top 100 listed companies by market capitalization. Generally, large cap mutual funds are suitable to those investors who have a conservative risk profile and approximately 4 to 5 years investment horizon. Some AMCs use the names of blue chip mutual fund in place of large cap mutual fund. According to first 1 year performance, Nippon India Large Cap Fund is the top performing mutual fund in its category, and Invesco India Large Cap Fund is worst performing fund in this category. When we select any fund to invest, one should compare the performance of that fund within the category at least from 3-year, 5-year and 7-year perspective, and also check the performance with its benchmark and see is there any alpha generated or not. Because every mutual fund scheme has its benchmark, which uses to measure a mutual fund's overall performance, and more returns than benchmark is the achievement of fund manager, which is known as alpha. So good funds, see the return performance chart. Here blue line indicates fund performance and golden line indicates benchmark index performance. This is the comparison of Nippon India Large Cap Fund with its benchmark, and the next chart is the comparison of Invesco India Large Cap Fund with its benchmark. You see in both the charts, first one is generating alpha, what second one is lower than its benchmark. You can get all these comparisons and other suitable data regarding any scheme from moneycontrol.com site. Moneycontrol.com site is a very useful site where we can get all these datas very easily. So next one is mid cap mutual fund. In this category of mutual fund, minimum 65% corpus is invested in the stocks of mid-cap companies. Mid-cap companies means the companies ranked between 101 to 250 according to their market capitalization. These mutual fund schemes are little bit more risky than large cap mutual funds, but also having higher potential to give better returns than large cap mutual fund, and this scheme is suitable for those investors who have moderate risk profile and also having at least 6 to 8 years of investment horizon. So in this scheme, Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund is the top performing mutual fund in its category, and Aditya Birla Sun Life Mid-Cap Fund is the worst performing mutual fund in its category. Here see the return performance by chart with its benchmark. Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund generating alpha in its return, what Aditya Birla Sun Life Mid-Cap Fund is unable to meet its benchmark return. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हम 1 ईयर परफॉर्मेंस कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि आपने देखा है लार्ज कैप म्यूचुअल फंड के अंदर और ये मिड कैप म्यूचुअल फंड के अंदर हमने जो भी फंड्स का कंपैरिजन किया है विद इन द कैटेगरीज एंड विद देयर बेंचमार्क्स, वो हमने 1 ईयर की परफॉर्मेंस को लेके किया है, जबकि हमें किसी भी फंड को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 3 ईयर 5 ईयर एंड 7 ईयर रिटर्न्स को कंपेयर करना चाहिए विद देयर बेंचमार्क्स एंड विद इन द कैटेगरी, तभी हम एक अच्छे फंड को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए मतलब अच्छा फंड सिलेक्ट कर पाएंगे। सिलेक्शन के जो स्टेप्स है उनको स्टडी किया था, वो सभी स्टेप्स को अगर प्रॉपरली फॉलो करने के बाद ही इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन लेना चाहिए कि किस फंड के अंदर हमने इन्वेस्ट करना है और कितना उसके अंदर टाइम हॉरिजन इन्वेस्टमेंट का रखना है। नेक्स्ट इज स्मॉल कैप म्यूचुअल फंड कैटेगरी. So we will discuss small cap category and other categories in the next video. तब तक के लिए thank you, bye bye.